After a long haul, guys, welcome back to my channel. Snap Detailing, guys. Make sure you like us, subscribe to us, and ring the bell. You know, I said I was going to stop shooting so many videos about the actual cars and the jobs and how to wash and how to clean. Just shoot videos of the products so you guys can see what works and all that jazz. Well, we got a client here that has several cars. Most of these are collectibles. I feel like I'm in Jay Leno's garage. Anyway, so here's a Jaguar. I'm not certain what year this is. It's a convertible. We're not doing a full detail on these cars. We're just doing a general cleanup on these vehicles. Beautiful car. Mercedes. Once again, I'm not sure what year this is. I think it's a 70. Beautiful car. BMW. Convertible. He likes convertibles, obviously. He's a ragtop guy. Look at this Lotus here, guys. I don't even know what year this is. Tiny little thing. But wickedly quick. We got to clean up all these cars. We got to have all these done by tomorrow. Another Lotus. It's like a little race car, man. That's exactly what it is. I love this truck. I'm not certain what year this truck is, but that is beautiful. Got a little mini-me on the dash. I believe all these cars are going to be at the Cars and Coffee show. Or Coffee and Cars, whatever you call it. Look at this Porsche. I'm not sure if this is a 911 or 956. I'm not certain. Beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous. Then the Volkswagen. Gotta have it cleaned up. Race car. I don't know much about this thing. I just know it's got a Chevrolet V8 motor in it. And it sits low to the ground. That's about all I know about this thing. This is the 956, I believe. I think this is the same one that James Dean was killed in. It's all original. He didn't want nothing changed on it. He wanted to keep it all original. Here's another race car that we got to do to detail this one. Oh, I'd love to drive something like this. Motorcycle. And we got another BMW. Set up for racing. Serious racing. And another BMW. What we gotta do. Let's see if I can get a shot. These cars are so close together. Another BMW. Here's the Chevy truck that we're gonna clean up. It's a beautiful truck, man. Gorgeous. It's a funky looking BMW. Another Porsche we gotta do. We've got several Porsches. And this Toyota Land Cruiser. We gotta clean it up. And that looks like a Mercedes. We gotta do. Beautiful car. And another 911 Porsche we gotta clean up. And a Mini Cooper. Anyway, guys, enough of shooting a video. We gotta get to work. We got a lot of work. And a big deer head back there. And all kinds of car parts. Memorabilia. Bicycles, you name it. Gas pumps. So guys, once again, make sure you like us, subscribe to us, and ring the bell. And I'll shoot another video later on. See ya.